Hey, I'm Zach Brinson, your friendly local realtor, and today I want to talk to you about how to prepare your home for a successful home sale. If you're selling your home today, let's make sure your home stands out from the rest. Before you list, getting it market ready is attracting serious buyers and securing the best price. Today, I'm sharing how to make your home shine and stand out in a competitive market. Right now, in this market, it is more important than ever that your home looks great from the moment it hits the MLS. Homes are sitting longer, buyers have more options, and that means your home doesn't just need to be listed, it needs to stand out. You don't get a second first impression. If your home isn't dialed in from day one, that includes pricing, presentation, photography, staging, buyers will move on quickly. So before you make your move, let's talk about what it actually takes to position your home the right way in today's market. Key point number one, clean and declutter. In this market, presentation starts with decluttering. Buyers make decisions fast. And if they walk in and feel distracted by personal items or crowded spaces, they're mentally checked out before they even reach the kitchen. You don't want them seeing your family story. You want them to be able to imagine theirs. So simplify it. Remove extra furniture, clear off surfaces, take down personal photos, make sure everything is clean and bright. The cleaner, the more open the home feels, the easier it is for buyers to emotionally connect. And that's what drives strong offers. Key point number two, make your home move-in ready. Before you list your home, you want to look at it the way a buyer would. The top listing agents across the country will tell you it's not about renovating everything, but it's about removing the red flags. Small maintenance issues matter. Buyers notice them immediately, and even minor problems can create doubt about how well the home is being cared for. Then we want to focus on first impressions. Clean landscaping, fresh mulch, a good looking yard helps form buyers' opinions before they even walk inside. The goal isn't perfection, it's confidence. When buyers feel like a home has been cared for, they're far more comfortable making a strong offer. And in some cases, a pre-listing inspection can be a smart move. It gives you clarity up front and keeps you in control instead of reacting during negotiations. Key point number three, staging your home. Staging doesn't have to mean hiring a professional and completely redesigning your home. The goal is simple. Help buyers see the space clearly. Sometimes that just means rearranging furniture so the room feels open and the layout makes sense. If you want buyers to understand how the space flows and how they would actually live in it, if your furniture feels heavy or dated, you don't necessarily need to replace everything. Just removing a few pieces can instantly make the room feel larger. Light, neutral tones tend to photograph better and make the space feel brighter and more inviting. And lighting is huge. Open blinds, turning on lamps makes the home feel warm and welcoming. You're not trying to impress buyers with your style. You're trying to make it easy on them to picture their own. Key point number four, pricing it right. Once your home is ready, pricing becomes the most important decision you'll make. And pricing isn't about guessing. It's about strategy. And here's what we're seeing right now in the Greenville area. Home values are still strong, but they're not skyrocketing like they were a few years ago. Homes are taking longer to go pending, often 45 to 60 days, depending on price point. And buyers have more options than they did in the frenzy years ago. That means pricing correctly from day one matters more than ever. If you price too high, buyers simply move on. There's too much competition right now. And if you price too low without a plan, you can leave money on the table. The right price comes from looking at recent comparable sales, what's actually moving in specific neighborhoods, and how long homes are sitting. What buyers are actually willing to pay today, not what they paid before in years past. And key point number five, partnering with a good real estate agent. Selling a home is more than just putting a sign in the yard. A strong real estate agent helps you connect all the dots, from preparation, pricing to marketing, negotiation, timing. A good agent will guide you on which updates actually matter, help you avoid over improving and positioning your home to attract the right buyers from day one. They'll also handle showings, feedback, negotiations, and any curveballs that come up during the process. And most importantly, the right agent advocates for you. They protect your bottom line, they keep the transaction on track, and they help reduce stress so you can focus on your next move with confidence. Always remember that when your home is prepared well, priced correctly, and supported by a knowledgeable local expert, you put yourself in the strongest possible position for a successful sale. Preparing your home for sale doesn't have to be stressful. With the right strategy, simple updates, and smart staging, the process can be smooth and even exciting. If you're ready to get started or have questions about pricing, staging, or marketing, give me a call or send me a message, and let's go get your home sold for the best price in the shortest amount of time. I'm Zach Brinson, your friendly local realtor. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below.